how are you? I hope you all are doing great today. My name is Renu Rati and today we will be learning our very interesting and a very relatable topic, that is perimeter and area. In this chapter we will learn about perimeter, area, finding area and word problems related to perimeter and area. Now let us do which one has a longer boundary, field A or field B. For this we have to find out the sum of both the figures. Similarly, here again we have to find the sum of the boundary. That means we will add all the boundaries and then we will find out which one has the bigger area, perimeter. Now let's start with perimeter. Perimeter is a figure bounded by line segment. It's called a rectilinear figure. Triangle, square, quadrilateral are some examples of rectilinear figure, but circle is not a rectilinear figure. The length of total boundary of a figure is called its perimeter. Now we can also say that perimeter is a sum of length of the sides of a figure. Now to find the perimeter, we must find the length of all sides. Like perimeter of square is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. Again, perimeter of rectangle is sum of all sides. Similarly, perimeter of triangle is AB plus BC plus CA. Perimeter of pentagon is all the sum of 5 sides. For example, we have to find the perimeter of the following shapes. So in the first one, we will sum all of the sides. Again, in the rectangle, sum of all sides. In perimeter of triangle, sum of all sides. So the perimeter of square is 24, perimeter of rectangle is 24 and perimeter of triangle is 15 centimeter. In example number 2, we have to find the sides of a rectangle and find its perimeter. Now we know that perimeter of rectangle is 2 into length plus breadth. So after putting the values in the formula, the perimeter is 160 centimeter. Now let's start with example number 3. We have to find the perimeter of a square and we have to find the sides of a square. Perimeter is given, we know that side of square is perimeter by 4. So 17 centimeter is the side. And here we have our formula. Now formula for perimeter of square, that is sum of all sides or 4 into side. Now here is our formula for perimeter of rectangle, that is sum of all sides or 2 into length plus breadth, where L is the value of length and B is the value of breadth. Let's start with exercise 13.1. In the first one we have to find the perimeter of these shapes. First one is 5 plus 3, 8 plus 2, that is 10. So here the correct answer is 10 centimeter. Next one is we have to measure the sides of the following figures and find their perimeter. That means you have to measure these sides using the scales and then you have to find the perimeter, that is sum of all sides. Next one is we have to find the perimeter. One has been done for you. The perimeter of rectangle quickly by using the formula, that is 7, 3, 2 into 7 plus 3, 7 plus 3, that is 10 into 2, that is 20 units. That's how you can complete the table. In the next one we have to find the perimeter of the following squares, that is 4 into 6, that is 24 centimeter. That's how you can complete the remaining part. Now let's start with area. The amount of surface covered by any object is called its area. The area of the shapes given alongside are indicated by the shaded parts. Now comparing area by observation, we can observe the area of two surfaces. For example, the area in this figure A and B. So the area A is less than the square area B. Now how to find area? Area of rectangular shapes. Now the area of rectangular shapes which occupies not only fully squares but half squares also, which means where the area of square is 1 square centimeter. Now consider the area of full square is 1 square centimeter and the area of half square is half square centimeter. Now let's look at the example. We have to find the area of the given figure alongside and count the full squares occupied by this figure. So the number of full square is 9, number of half squares is 12. That means the area of full square is 9 square centimeter. And the area of half square is 12 by half, that is 6. So the total area is 15 square centimeter. Now area of regular shapes. To find the area of irregular shapes, we find the area of full square, that is taken as 1 centimeter, and area of small square which is half or more than half can be taken as 1 square centimeter, and the area of square which is less than half is not considered. Now for example, we have to find the area of this shape and area of each square, small square is 1 square centimeter. Now always remember area is written in square units and the unit of area is square centimeter or centimeter square. So here after measuring this, we will count the number of full squares. The number of full squares are 19. Number of full squares more than half or half, that is 12. So 19 plus 12, that is 31 square centimeter approximately is the area of this shape. Let's start with exercise 13.2. In the first one, we have to color the shape with the bigger surface area in yellow and the smaller in green. So this one is bigger one, you will color it with yellow. Now in the next one, we have to find the area of the following regular shapes taking 1 centimeter square. So in this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 square centimeter is our area of this figure. In the next one, we have to find the approximate area of the following shapes. Take the area of each small square to be 1 centimeter. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 square centimeter is the area of this figure. Now word problems on perimeter and area. First is a rectangular carpet is 5 meter long and 2 meter wide. We have to find its area and perimeter. So area of rectangle is length into breadth and perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth. So area is 10 meter square and perimeter is 14 meter. Now in the second example, a school flag is in rectangular shape of length 3 meter and breadth 2 meter. So area is length into breadth 6 meter square, perimeter is 2 into length plus breadth, that is 10 meter. Now let's start with exercise 13.3. In the first one, we have to answer the following questions. Salman was planning a new library. The room would be 34 meter long and 28 meter broad. We have to find its area and perimeter. So area would be length into breadth, that is 28 into 34 meter square. And for the perimeter would be 2 into length plus breadth, that is equals to 2 into 28 plus 34 meter. That's how you can solve the remaining part. Next is our think tank. We have to take the correct answer. First one is the unit of perimeter is the same as its side of the polygon. That's how you can complete the remaining part. Next is fill in the blanks. The length of the total boundary of a figure is called its perimeter. Match the following. Perimeter of a rectangle is right. Fourth option is the correct answer, that is 2 into length plus breadth. Maths puzzle, we have to find the perimeter of the following shapes. So first one is 4 plus 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 28 meter is the perimeter of the following shape. Similarly, mental math, we have to find the perimeter of the following figure, that is 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 16, that is 26 centimeter is the perimeter of this figure. Now, I hope you have understood the chapter pretty well. You just have to practice exercise questions and don't forget to revise this topic again.